we had about 5 letters of intent,
Okay.
and we were carefully vetting these business buyers, and we were looking at what their history, what their future is, how they treated their employees, which was critical. What their culture was. We were pretty experienced at that time. We learned a lot of what to look for in a buyer from we were sellers. And we got our broker helped us, and so I would say we got about 5 letters of intent, and we didn't take the highest one.
Tell us about that. Why didn't you take the highest one?
Because they didn't have the all of the other ingredients that we were looking for: the culture, the way they treated employees, their benefits, and we looked at all of that. We did a lot of work on that to make sure that our employees were treated well when the merger took place.